Hey everybody, welcome back to the Pruning Workshop. I'm Matthew and today I'm going to show you how to change a fuser on a Xerox AltaLink C8170. This procedure is the same for all of the AltaLink 8100 series copiers. So any of the B8100s or the C8100s, this fuser is going to be the same on how you change it. Now remember, as with any other fuser, it's very hot. There's a warning right here telling you to be careful what you touch. So you're going to power the machine off first, and you might let it cool for a little bit before you mess with it. First thing you're going to want to do is open up the left side door or the A door with this gray handle. Inside here is your R8 or your fuser. So to take it out, you have a safety latch right here. You'll lift it up and slide that pin back, and then on the bottom of the fuser is two little orange handles. You're going to grab those orange handles with your fingers, lift them up, and squeeze them together, so inward of the fuser. Once you do that, the pins that hold it are released, and you should be good to let go of those orange handles and grab the two handles that have the little orange stickers on them and pull that fuser straight out of the machine. Just like that. You got your new fuser. To put it in, you're going to grab it by the two handles with the orange stickers, and then make sure that your A1 sticker is facing up. That's how you know it's the right way up. And you're going to go in straight into the side of the machine, and there's these two metal shelves, just like on the older Xeroxes. And you'll take that fuser and you'll kind of set it right in place on those shelves and just slide it in. Don't force anything, it should go in nice and smooth, but you may have to give it just a little bit of push to make sure that those pins go all the way in. You're gonna go back here to this safety latch, and you're gonna bring it back to the front and swing it back down into place. Now once you have that done, you can close your left side door, power up your machine, and you're good to go. If you want to learn more common fixes on this same model, click here. If you'd like to see more quick how-to videos on other Xerox products, subscribe to our channel.